Baytown window experts offer a wide range of window installation services tailored to meet the needs of both residential and commercial clients. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom window designs, our team in Baytown, TX, is equipped to handle all your window needs with precision and care. Energy-efficient picture windows. Baytown are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our Baytown Window Company specializes in providing top-quality insulated windows and double-pane windows that help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption. For those interested in custom window designs, Baytown Custom Window Installation Services offer a variety of options to suit any architectural style. From picture windows Baytown styles to unique window frame materials, our Baytown window experts can create the perfect look for your home or business. Residential window services in Baytown, TX, include everything from window replacement to window replacement services. Our Baytown residential window services ensure that your windows are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and secure. Commercial picture windows. Baytown solutions are designed to meet the specific needs of businesses in the area. Our Baytown window replacement experts provide durable and energy-efficient options that enhance the appearance and performance of commercial properties. Vinyl windows. Baytown are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our Baytown window glass options include a variety of styles and finishes to complement any home or business design. Window upgrades in Baytown, TX can enhance the safety and security of your property. Our window safety features in Baytown include advanced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass options. Our picture windows in Baytown are designed with the security features your home needs. Window maintenance. Baytown is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. Our picture windows. Baytown consultation services provide expert advice on window cleaning, window sealing, and window hardware maintenance. Affordable window services. Baytown make it easy for homeowners and businesses to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Our Baytown window measurement and window fitting services ensure a perfect fit every time.